Hi everyone, it's my pleasure to be here and I have one question for you. Do you want to achieve this kind of VFX shot without fancy equipment like color checker or chrome ball, etc.? Interesting, huh? I know, wow. In this one you will learn all the things you need to achieve a stunning VFX shot as I did. So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, welcome back. This is Dyson, glad to be here. And in these two videos, you will learn all the tip and trick to achieve high-end level photorealistic in VFX shot, of course in 3D. And I will promise you I'm not going to be so technical on this because I need everyone to use this technique to their software of choice. If you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. I know that was scary, but subscribe for more content. Okay, let's begin. Okay, I guess so far so good. So until now we have the secret champion and the tracker champion, and of course we have the 3D champion now with two videos. Okay, in the future I will release the champion sorry, I'm so silly. In the future I will release the champion compositing series, so I will show you my technique. I called it the thin line, you can see it here. So we will grade that with the micro pixel perfection. I'm so excited about that. I love this technique honestly, so stay tuned for that. And of course all these series are available on my Patreon, the link in the description of course, and my NFT. Which one do you prefer? That's up to you. Okay, I have one little bit surprise for you guys. Honestly, it is offer for you. So, hear me out. For those are interested on my treasure Patreon tiers here, if you join that tier, I will give you one champion series video, and of course that's by your choice. Just message me or mail me. And I guess that's a not bad deal, so think about it. And this deal are valid for 1 month. So with that was my pleasure. Goodbye.